Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange and TradeX.live. I'm still too tired to set up my camera, so I thought maybe we can do from tomorrow. So please bear with us only for the audio podcast now. What a volatile market today. Our markets are becoming too volatile. The intraday players, they are not able to make money. And markets are like, how to say, it's a random move. Why it's going up, why it's coming down, nobody understands. And that too very big moves. Markets opened lower because, global cues were not good. US futures were lower. Kotak Bank indicated a 10% gap down. And everybody thought market will be bearish. Then within half an hour, market shot up 150 point. Okay, then people thought, okay, the markets are stabilizing. Then there was a sudden fall. So as I told you last time, the janestreet.com, Jane Street and what the other one, the Millennium. So the fall was so sudden, so severe, option premiums have shot up like anything. Then after that, market recovered, fell, the option premiums were moving erratically. 5 rupees going to 50 rupees, again coming to 5 rupees, again going to 50 rupees, all kinds of things. So this market, it's making life very, very difficult for options traders. Forget about the intraday, even the positional. Market was looking so good. Then came the news, Mauritius tax treaty issue, fell, 700, 800 point in 4 trading session. Then on the 5th trading session, Israel war news came, fell another 200, 300 point, 1000, 1100 point fall. Then in the next few days, equally shooting up, falling 1000 points, shooting up 600, 700 point, 800, 900 point, I think from the day's low. At today's high, it was almost 950 point, so making trading very, very difficult. As I have been saying that this is a bull market. So in bull market, traders don't make money. Intraday traders, they don't make money. Positional traders, they don't make money. Who makes money? It's only the investors. Wait for any sudden fall, a good quality stock, and then you may buy. So you may remember I suggested Bajaj Finance when it fell to 6,600. I was tempted to suggest Kotak Bank today because it has fallen 10%, but I'm keeping off just because, Kotak Bank has been in a range bound for the last 4-5 years. If I'm not wrong, okay, where the Kotak Bank is trading now, I think 5 years before also it was trading there only. So can you imagine a stock giving zero return for 5 years? That too, it is such an excellent company, right? So, there are certain stocks, do not qualify, when it falls. So in fact, for one or the other reason, one day Vedanta fell 15%. I think that's about 2-3 years before. So I thought, it has fallen 15%, so I bought it. Okay. Then after that, that has given very good return. But when I bought, I think it was around 235. That time the dividend yield itself was more than 10%. So even if it falls further, no, I would not have worried because the dividend yield was very good. So then later it has done very well. Similarly, once Infosys fell more than 10% after the results, I bought, okay, but it has not given very good return, but at least it has not given negative return. I think I bought about 1,250. I think that should be about 2 years before, Now it has hardly given like 10-12% return. So, it's less than the FD return. So these things, like at least it has not given negative return. So in that sense, we have to be happy. So this market, more and more becoming too volatile. And for intraday players, they do straddle, strangle, whatever they do, everything is getting into some kind of a big trouble. I think many intraday traders, they have stopped trading actually. In fact, that is what I actually suggested. but NSE keep on introducing more and more instrument for you to trade, for you to lose money. Yeah, so anyway, that's not our business, right? So today is a monthly expiry, so there is no point in looking at the open interest, this and that, so we will start fresh tomorrow only the positions will start building. Okay, and Sunday I will come out with a view for the month of May. But volatility index has shot up, so the premiums, I think, in between, and I was checking, both call and put premiums have gone up in the month of May series. So we will see what is going to happen tomorrow. But today, it was the huge buying by the domestic institutions. FIIs have sold for 2,800 crores, but the domestic institutions have bought for 6,000 crores, more than 2 times what FIIs have sold. So that is the reason why there was a huge short covering. But the short covering was so heavy, the people have lost a decent amount of money today. That's what I would say. So anyway, there's nothing much to discuss today. So we will discuss tomorrow morning. Hope you enjoyed listening to this audio. Thank you for listening.